going to be using this asset, Unity Learn 3D Game Kit. And what we're going to do, we're going to be adding a new scene, and we're going to be adding the enemies to this particular game kit. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, you want to have a nav mesh. A nav mesh is something that the enemies have to walk on. If you don't have a nav mesh surface, then the enemies cannot walk on it. So we're going to have to create that. So the first thing we want to do, we want to go to Assets. We want to go to Prefabs. We want to go to ground. This I had already added a prefab. So let me go ahead. I'm going to delete it. Start from scratch so you all can do it for yourselves as well. So what you want to do, you want to go up to Assets, 3D Game Kit, go to Scenes, click on Gameplay, double click on Level 1. And what we're going to do, we're going to click on we're going to click on Terrain 02. And Terrain 02 has a nav mesh surface, has agent type what? Chomper. So this is for Chomper, the enemy. I like that. And it says the nav mesh terrain. And it's already baked, which is already ready. So we're going to make it a prefab. So we're going to go down to the prefab folder. There we are. We're going to right click in this empty black space, click on create, click on folder, type in the word ground, double click on ground, drag terrain 02 here, and now you have a prefab. Now what you want to do, you want to go up to Assets, 3D Game Kit, double click on Scenes, double click on Template. I'll click Don't Save there. File, Save As, Scenes, and I'm going to call this Enemies. And what you would do, you would type in file name Enemies. I already had it done. So just click on Save. Well, let's see what this template looks like. So I'm going to hit the play button. And voila, look, there goes the character. Her name is Ellen. Hi, everybody. And she's all ready to go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add that prefab. I'm going to go back to 3D Game Kit, double click on prefab. I'm going to double click on ground. I'm going to drag it onto the scene. And I notice it has layer environment. So it also has layer environment, which is good. Okay. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go to Assets, 3D Game, Prefabs. We're going to go down to the Enemies. Oh, sorry, go down to Characters, then Enemies. Now we're going to go to the lovely Chomper. So I'm going to put them in there. Right there on the edge. I want to put a little bit of, I'm going to go back to Prefab. And I'm going to go to environment, and I'm going to go to rock. And I'm going to put I'll put this up in there. I'm going to let this float in the sky to where Chomper is, so I can see at a distance where he is. Yeah, but like I said, too big of a. Let me delete that. Thought this would be more like a. Actually, what I'm gonna do, let me move Chomper up a little bit. I'm gonna move this up just a little bit to match this. Put Chomper over. Ooh. Make sure I click on Chomper, not his body. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on play. Let's see if there's anything we need to modify. So I'm looking for Chomper. He should be near that object that's in the sky. Ah, there he is. Looks like that landmass is way too high. Yeah, I didn't think I would be able to do that. Here, let me see what height this is. This, oh, 0, 0, 0, like it should be. And this one is 0. Make sure this is kind of like a, no, it's not a 0. I'm going to do 0. Then I'm going to do 0. And then I'm going to move it over a little bit. I just want to make sure everything is level. Here's the lovely Chomper. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Where is he? Okay, he's on that landmass. Let me see if I can go over there. It might let me. Yay, it's letting me. I had to make sure that was on level 0. Ah! He's coming. I wasn't expecting him. Is he coming? Oh, yes, he is coming. Okay, Jumper. I don't have time for this right now. As you can tell, she's a lot faster than him. And he can't walk on this because this is not a NavMess agent. He cannot get me. Ah! He can get me! He's not supposed to be able to walk on Nav. This is not a NavMess agent right here. I think I had it overlapped a little bit. He scared me. Sorry about that. I hope I didn't scare anybody. Okay, okay, so this surface right here, he can't walk on a nav mesh surface, so that's why he's he's still. However, if I walk across, fair game. He might be stuck. Oh, good, he's stuck. Yeah, because that's not a nav mesh surface. Ha 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 ha! You're stuck. Okay, so let me go ahead and do the next enemy. Sorry about that. I didn't know he was going to do that. That was kind of funny. That is. Okay, so the next enemy I'm going to put is Spitter. And he's just like his name. He tries to spit acid on somebody, which isn't nice. Okay. Okay, this is going to be interesting. Okay, so that's Chomper, as we all know. The lovely Chomper, and this is Spitter. Uh-oh. Walked right into it. Yeah, he can do that. He doesn't have to chase after anyone, obviously. No, I'm going to go ahead and fight this one here. Goodbye, Jumper. I'm going to go ahead and put this as pause. Let me look at Spitter real quick. I want to see something. Let's see if they automatically... Okay. Now, so the next one we're going to do, the next enemy is going to be Grenadier. I guess that's how you pronounce it, like a grenade. And I'm going to put him all the way back in a corner. He's kind of scary. I can't kill him for some reason. He has a NavMes agent. Ah, they don't have any damage on him. That's interesting. See, this one has damageable. So if you hit him, he'll die. But guess what? This guy here doesn't have any damage, so I guess you can't damage him. He always has a shield around him anyway. You really can't touch him. So you just gotta run from him. It's like, can't touch this. Okay, so let me hit play. Let's look at this particular enemy. Oh, wow. See, they're all there. Uh-oh. It looks like he's not on the... He might be. I don't think I put him on right. He's all the way down there. I did not put him on correctly. Yeah, Yeah, he's below the ground. So hold on. It's kind of hard to see where he's at. Go back. The big ground. Where is he at? -7.2. Let me see. Oh, now I see him. Okay, I can see it now. Okay, there you are. Now I see his little shadow on the ground. I'm gonna hit play, just make sure. Ah, there it is. Uh-oh. There goes the big guy. Oh. He has no damages, so I can't damage him. There's nothing wrong. Unless his spit. Ah! Oh no. I just fell off that surface. I see what happened. Any type of surface that's below zero, I think it looked like around -1 or something, she'll automatically die because it'll just assume that she fell off the cliff or inside the water. Excellent. So let's go over the next enemy. And this is called the eel dogs, which is supposed to be in the water. So I'm going to go to, where's the prefabs folder again? And I'm going to go to water. I'm going to put some water in here. I'm going to put it up. Okay, that's covering everything up. Put it down. Excellent. So that's the water. Oh, it's too high. Put it down just a little bit. Okay, now we got the water. Now I'm going to go back to the prefab folders. I'm going to go to the characters. I'm going to go to the eel dogs. I'm going to put them in the water over here. I'm going to rotate it so I can see them. And let me click on that water real quick, just out of curiosity. Okay, let's roll it. Let's see what the eel dogs do. There goes Alan. And I want to see the eel dogs. There goes the water. Oh. Uh-oh, Chopper. Chopper, hey, I gotta show the class something. So there goes the eels out there. You will die if, uh-oh, I'm being attacked here, people. But there goes the eels. As you can see, they're going in and out of the water. And there goes the enemies. I hope everyone has a great day and happy coding.